the White House. And President Obama. All right, let's talk about the white coat, the doctors, the White House. They were a manipulation. I called it yesterday. I'm on a roll, folks, on See, I Told You So. Listen to this. Obama, 150 doctors in white coats in the Rose Garden today to go through the motions of saying they support Obamacare. I don't know, but I would like to find out if there was a psychiatrist among them, because that's who's needed inside the White House. But this is a classic textbook move by the fascists. What you do here is you organize the private sector using carrots and sticks to have them work against their own self-interests and for the interests of